guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel to become a part of the workout team. Quick announcement before we get this video rolling, you guys. This waist trainer I will be selling really soon, so make sure you are following me on Instagram and Facebook for the release date, okay? So to start off, here are some HIIT exercises that you can do at home, in the gym, or anywhere that matters. These exercises are beginner friendly. These allow you to burn more calories faster, tone. You take little to no breaks, so that's where the most effective workouts come in and is HIIT. Okay, so you guys make sure you leave a comment down below on these exercises or what other exercises you would like to see me demonstrate for you, and enjoy the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.